Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I have been for a dive into the request book, and a long time ago I did this arrangement. Had a few more things into them, but I've taken them out. And at that time I said, you know what, I'm going to come back and show you how to turn an autumn, winter inspired floral design into something that can be quickly transformed into spring or summer. Well, I'm going sort of springy summer, and I've got these lovely first of season or mid-season hydrangeas, so I'm going to use those. And I think that with the colour of the container and what's in here, this green is your best friend. Ever in doubt, not knowing what to do, you reach for green. It connects, it gives balance, it gives harmony, and it just goes with everything. That's why I love it. So where's my front? There's my front there. I'm just going to bring that into there, and I'm just going to push that down, right down and into there. So this is a rounded arrangement, so it's best to keep the design nice and round. Look at that. All I needed was 2 hydrangeas, and I've now filled what's been lying around for ages. Now with that, I think, what else could be a nice compliment? Because I haven't got time to go fiddling around. Reach for fruit. Fruit is your friend, and I really love Granny Smith apples, especially at the beginning of the season when they start, they've still got that little reedy bit on them. I just think it's magic. All you need is a satay stick, and these are just going to go, and I like that colorway, so I want to keep that. I want to be able to see that, and I've got little berries there. Look at that. How easy is this? This is what I call the best designing that ever was. And the other thing is, as I used to say to my boys over the years when I've done these, if you're hungry, look in Mummy's floral arrangement. I'm sure you'll find something to eat that can go down into there. And then I've got one left, so I'm just going to bring that, and I haven't gone straight through that. Depending on where the colouring is, I've just done it, put that stick in just to suit. Okay, now you ready? How easy was that to change an arrangement that was fall into winter to fall from winter into summer? I love it. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I feel quite pleased with myself that I honoured an obligation and a promise to those who have asked, what could you do with this design? Happy designing, and I will see you all again another day. Bye for now.